Alrighty, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How is everybody doing today? I hope this video finds you well and healthy, guys. I hope you were able to get some relaxation time in, got a chance to get out and do some fun stuff. The snow is melting, so you might have gotten out to, run around, do some four-wheeling, or gotten to play some sports, or maybe got to play some video games or be inside and do those sorts of things. Hopefully you got a chance to just kind of relax and enjoy yourselves, guys. I hope that was what you were able to do this weekend. This is your video telling you and kind of listing off exactly what we're going to be doing this week. So here we go. Here is the plan for this week, guys. First thing I would like you to make sure that you do is you click on this attendance assignment and mark yourself present for attendance. I don't want to end up taking and marking you absent when you logged in and you actually did the work you were supposed to and actually looked at my website and my Google Classroom and all of that stuff, guys. So please make sure that you mark yourself present for attendance and you mark that as turned in so I know you were here. Okay? Today's lesson is just a simple work day, guys. All you're going to do is take and complete any assignments that you might owe. If you still owe the Unit 7 key terms 1 through 9 and you haven't completed those, they're not late. You just have to have them done by Wednesday. So this is a perfect time to work on those and get those done. If you owe me any late work, this is also a perfect time to go ahead and get that stuff done as well. So I would suggest that you do that. I would recommend that you take and do those homework assignments and all of those sorts of things, guys, just to get that done, just to raise your grade and all of that. Remember April 16th. Once again, one more time, April 16th is when the quarter ends. That is the Friday after we come back from spring break. So all of those assignments need to be handed in and submitted, and I will make sure I make that announcement this week just to let everybody know that the quarter ends April 16th when we come back from spring break. So please make sure you get that stuff done. Today is a perfect day to work on that. Okay, guys, so that's what you're doing today. A real simple, real easy assignment. Okay? Tomorrow, what we are going to do is we're going to work on these Washington, Adams, and Jefferson presidencies group assignments. Okay, guys, we're going to read through, we're going to answer these questions. We're going to read through the workbook lessons that each of us are assigned, and we're going to go ahead and answer the questions based on the information that we find. We're going to answer these questions, and then we're going to create a set of Google Slides. Again, they don't have to be pretty, they don't have to be perfect, but they just have to get the information across for each of these groups and each of these questions. Okay, guys? So that's what we're going to be working on tomorrow. Depending on how long it takes us to do that tomorrow, we'll kind of decide how much time you guys get to work on this on Wednesday, Thursday. All right, guys? So if we need only 20 minutes and then the other 20 minutes a group or two can present, we can do that. Or if we need more than that and we need to wait till present until next week, or even after we come back from spring break, we can do that also. We'll see how tomorrow and Wednesday goes, and that'll kind of decide what we do Thursday, Friday, and how next week goes. All right, guys? So that is the plan for Tuesday, Wednesday for the live lessons. For the digital lessons, what we are going to do is we are going to do quiz corrections, okay? Later today, I'm going to go ahead and release the scores for the quizzes. I'll release all your answers and stuff like that, and I will send them to you so you have them and so you can see what you got right, what you got wrong. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to give you guys about a week, actually a little more than a week, actually a week and a half, thinking about it now. You guys are going to have a week and a half. These are going to be due on April 1st. Okay, guys, you can see the due date right here, April 1st. That is the last day of classes before spring break. I'm going to give you till April 1st to get in your quiz corrections. You're just going to hand them in right here, guys, into this lesson. And I'll make sure I repeat that each day or a couple days before leading up to the assignment just to make sure anybody who wants to hand in those quiz corrections can do that. But you'll hand it in right here, okay, guys? So make sure you do that. Make sure you get that all squared away. But here is in that particular assignment, guys, as you can see, I've got the how to do quiz and test corrections doc and the Unit 5 quiz answer key right there. So it's the same as before with the matching. You write the definition once, you write the term 3 times. With the multiple choice, you write out the question once, you write the definition, the answer, the correct answer 3 times, and then for the document questions, you're just going to rewrite the correct answers on your quiz corrections document. Okay, guys? So as long as you rewrite that, you do that correctly, and you do all 3 sections correctly, guys, you will be all set. You just type it out on a separate Google Doc, and then you're going to share it with me, or not share it with me, you're going to hand it into this assignment right here. Okay, guys? So that's what you're going to do. You're going to hand it into this assignment, and that's how I'll get it. That's how I'll grade it. Okay? So that's what the digital lesson is for tomorrow and Wednesday. Live lesson for Thursday and Friday. If you guys need an additional 20 minutes, which I'm kind of thinking you will, at least you'll need another 20 minutes to kind of finish this up and work on it. If we have time on Thursday and Friday, I will at least have group 1 present. Otherwise, if we don't have time, guys, then what we will do is we'll just take and present another day. We'll see kind of how it goes and everything else, and how long it takes to present and how much time we have. But that'll kind of be determined by tomorrow and Wednesday, how much time I give you Thursday, Friday, and whether we can have a group present or not. Okay? So that's that. Just so you know, guys, that's what we're going to do for the live lesson Thursday, Friday. And then Thursday, Friday, digital lesson is just Unit 7 key terms. We're going to do 10 through 15. Sorry, guys, excuse me. We're going to do 10 through 15. That's all we're going to do for that digital lesson. Those are going to be due next week on Wednesday, March 31st. All right, guys? So you'll have plenty of time to do this. 6 definitions should go really fast. They shouldn't take you too long at all. You should be able to finish these in class. And if you can't finish them in class, you'll have a study hall or something like that you'll be able to finish 10 through 15. Okay? If you already finished 10 through 15 and 1 through 9, I will give you credit for it when I grade it and post it. So you'll be all set there, guys. You'll be good to go. All right? And that's exactly what we're going to be doing this week, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see how it goes in the live lessons, and that's going to kind of dictate where we're at by the end of the week. All right? If you have any questions, guys, please reach out to me. Please send me an email, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can to try to answer that as quickly as I can. All right? With that said, have a fantastically awesome rest of your Monday, guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right? Have a great day, guys.